Hi Xavier, it's Mrs. Blue. I'm making this little video to help you understand how to navigate your course. Up here in the black bar next to Pasco eSchool, you have this little book. Those are where you find your lessons. So when you click there, that brings you into the FLVS course, and you click menu, and depending on where you're starting, I can't remember if you're in segment 1 or segment 2, you go into the module 3 if you're in segment 2, which I think that's where you are. And then you click on the lesson. And this is like your online textbook. So notice there's 5 pages in this lesson. So you want to read through the material, click on the interactives, read the information. You can also do the show text version, but this tells you what you're going to be able to learn by the end of this lesson. You go through the pages, take notes. Then when you get to the last page, it's going to explain to you what your assignment is. So check your understanding of nonfiction, and then you're going to read the article Facing Our Fears. Open a document and make 3 columns. This tells you that you're going to have to create a Word document, and that will be the file that you attach when you go over to assessments. And that sounds like where you've been going. So you go to assessments and you have 302. That's where you're going to attach the document. All right? I hope this helps you. Email me or give me a text if you have any other questions.